So really quickly, I wanted to show you how I use Screencasts to see student thinking during the process. So I'm going to show you an example of a draft that a student submitted to me and how I use Screencasts as part of that process to get me kind of inside their head as they're going through that writing process and the learning process, so I can see how they're doing with the concepts and skills we're working on. So I am going to actually add a video of my student explaining that so you can see what it looks like.
I highlighted the yellow because that's an anecdote, which is a short story, and a memory of me about my topic. And the green is the pathos, which makes you feel. And then I used repetition. I used imagine. I repeated that so you can get a picture in your head. And then the 90 cents of a dollar for the troops, that's 90% of the funds, is logos, which is a fact. And then by donating this charity, you can make a difference, just like Martha, which is a reference.